Hey guys, how's it going? It's K-Tech coming back at you with another video. This time it's going to be an unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Orbit S's. You can get these for about $199. They're on sale off HyperX's website. Normally they retail for $329, or you can pick them up off Amazon for approximately $250 to $260. I would recommend picking these up off of HyperX's website though, because you get a 30-day return policy window, whereas Amazon can only guarantee you 15 days. So yeah, there's definitely that. This headset's basically based off the like a preceding headset that was like a really good audiophile headset. Like I think it was back in 2019, and then they built these for 2020, or it could be 2018 and 2019. I could be getting my story mixed up. But anyway, they feature directional sound, basically really super comfy earmuffs, and just the quality we've come to know and expect from HyperX. And of course, these are the Orbit S's, so they're wireless. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the Shinobi over here. And yeah, so just looking at the box though, we can tell Audi's planar magnetic drivers. That's what's going to give you the spatial sound. Waves, NX, fully immersive 3D audio, yada yada yada. Basically, blah blah blah. You get the 3D sound. You get what do you call it? The 7.1 surround sound feel. That's one side of the box. That's going to be the back of the box right there. We have just basically the same thing in different languages. Detachable noise canceling mic with pop filter, 3 detachable cable options, and onboard audio and mic options. And there's the other side of the box. Nothing works to see here. So let's go ahead and rip this open. It's kind of funny how everyone like has their own way of like making a box here, but I think we've kind of got most of the people. Oh god, I just destroyed the box there. We got most of the people like on this sticker thing. So you have like this like little lip that goes in. You got a sticker out there. You got to cut. Can I bring this out? Yes, I can. Okay. This is not coming out because you got to take this tag and push it through that slot. Giggity. All right, and let's see. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Now, I was going to do a review on the Arctis X, but my problem with the Arctis Pro is that they were too tight. Hopefully, these are going to not be as tight on my head. We'll see. I have a really big head. Okay, so we have literally a felt foam pad. We literally got books and manuals for days. And then finally, we have the headset itself encased in foam. That's actually really nice. The Arctis just came in kind of like a pouch, or it had a pouch on the side, but this is really nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this out. Sweet, okay. Before I get to that, we'll just take a look and make sure there isn't anything else in the box. Taking that out, there is another box in the box. It's funny when there's a black box in the box because you don't know if someone's going to miss it or not. Thankfully, I didn't miss it this time, though. Always got to check for those boxes. And let's see. Okay, this is a really, really nice material. Like, wow. Okay, anyway, we got 3 cables in here. 4 cables, maybe. So this is our pop filter with our 3.5 millimeter audio DAC. Audio jack, that's for the microphone. This is going to be probably, I'm assuming, our USB charge cable, and that's awesome right there. We got USB-C, so that's not in the Arctis Pro. That's really nice to see on anything so that we can just start to modernize our solutions. That's going to be a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, I'm assuming. It looks like it's green. And this is another USB-C to USB-C cable. Wow, so did they give us 2? Yeah, I think they gave us 2 because this one... Okay, no. This one's a USB-A, and this one's USB-C to USB-C. So the cool thing about this one is it looks bigger and it's more braided, whereas this one, it's like a smooth rubber material, but it's nice that you have USB-C to USB-C, so you can use that port on your PC or whatever device if you wish. I wonder if you could actually plug this into a phone and use that. But taking a look at the actual headset itself, it feels really nice. I would imagine, most headsets aren't metal because they're trying not to weigh your head down, but the side feels like a very soft rubber. It's not a plastic, it feels like a soft rubber. And these ear cups actually swivel, as you can see, so you can rest them against your chesticles, if you will. Basically, all the controls that you can see are going to be on one headset, so it's going to be on this side. What I can see from here is that this is going to be the surround sound button. That's going to be for plugging in your microphone. That's going to be the USB for charging it. That's going to be for our headphone. That's also going to be for our microphone volume, and that's going to be for our headphone volume. And right up here, we have a nice cushy rubber band. So you can definitely use that. And you can definitely see the cushion on these ear cups. Like it's super, super deep and super nice. Other than that, yeah, you just have to memorize the fact that the left ear cup is supposed to be this one so that it can swivel in. One really silly thing with the Bose is that, with the Bose QC35, is that you can't swivel them in. Like if you wear them traditionally with left and right, they swivel out, which is kind of weird. So I've just gotten used to wearing them the opposite way, I guess you'll say, which isn't really an issue when you're listening to music, but like when you're playing a game or something, you definitely need it in the right direction. Let me go ahead and put these on. Okay, so they're like a bit tighter on the head, but not as tight as the Arctis Pro. That being said, the level of comfort is actually really amazing. I'm really surprised. Actually, I'm not surprised to be honest, because that's HyperX. That's what they're known for. So you definitely get the cushy feel from the sides, and you can definitely feel the headband on your head. Again, if you have a head as big as mine. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for these headsets. I'll go ahead and give it and post an audio review of my various headsets after this, but until next time, guys, stay safe.